Hi friends, this is my simple TV unit, and as you can see that it has developed marks and lines and the paint has come out. Now to make it look more beautiful and elegant, it's time to revamp it. So let's get started. To deck it up, I've ordered a vinyl removable peel-off wall sticker from Amazon, and it was priced at around 350 rupees, and it came in a nice packaging. So this is the shade I've ordered. The link of this particular product is attached in the description box. It has an easy peel-off at the back, so we can cut the wallpaper to the required size and peel it off and stick it to the area which is defected. So I'll be cutting it, sticking it, and we'll be sharing you the photos. So this is the finished product after sticking the vinyl wallpaper. It had grid lines at the back which made it easy to measure and cut it. The sticking was a little hard. I felt that the stickiness could have been more on the sheet, but overall it is a really good outcome. So this is the finished product. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can also revamp your old furniture and try it out. Do share your comments and feedbacks after trying it out.